How to take black and white photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow in the middle. Now, go to the options below and swipe left. Here, tap on the filters icon at the end. You can view and try out all the different camera filters available on iPhone camera from here. Then, swipe left and tap on the mono filter as shown. This is a black and white filter. After that, tap on the capture button below to take a picture. Then, tap on the picture at the bottom left corner to view it. As you can see, the picture is in black and white. You can repeat this to take more black and white photos whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily take black and white photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.